and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a classy gel nail that works great for any occasion and outfit, so let's get started. What you'll need to achieve this gel nail look is alcohol, acetone, and if you'd like, cuticle remover. I went ahead and purchased the gel nail starter kit that had a pH bond, base, and top coat, as well as cuticle oil. The brand that I've been loving for my gel manicures is this Gelish brand. I find it lasts the longest out of the different brands I've tried. And for the star of the show is this Structure nail polish in Cover Pink. Then we're also going to need a cuticle pusher, nail clipper, a nail file, and brush to wipe away any excess gel polish, gloves to prevent premature aging on our hands, and a gel lamp. I also have an electric file to speed up the process for prepping my nail plate, but that's completely optional. To have the best looking manicure, I always like to clean up my cuticles and remove any dead skin. So first, start off by placing your fingers inside a bowl filled with warm soapy water for a few minutes, and then wipe off any excess water and add your cuticle remover. If you aren't using cuticle remover, you can leave your hands inside the bowl for longer to soften the cuticle. Once the cuticle remover is on, you'll want to go ahead and push back your cuticles, making sure to be careful that you don't hurt your nail plate or cuticles during this process. Next, I'm going to use my cuticle trimmer to remove all the excess dead skin. Be very careful when you're doing this step. I know when I first did this, and sometimes it still happens, I've accidentally cut my skin, causing it to bleed, so you don't want that to happen for yourself since it's not a very good feeling. Once you've trimmed your cuticles, your nails should look something similar to this, and now your hands are prepped for a beautiful manicure. I'm going to then cut my nails and then file them into the shape that I like, which is usually square with the rounded edges. I'm going to use an electric file to buff my nail bed. When you're doing this, try to make sure that you're not over-filing your nail bed, because then that can cause you to have weak and brittle nails in the future, and that's not fun. Now that my nails are buffed, I'm going to go in with the pH bond, and this is going to remove any excess oils on my nail bed. It's also going to allow the foundation base coat to adhere properly and allow our gel manicure to last for up to 3 weeks or more. Once I brush on the foundation nail polish, I'm going to wipe away any excess gel nail polish that may have gotten on my skin with the isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm going to end up curing the polish for 60 seconds. After the foundation nail polish has cured, I'm going to go in with the Structure nail polish in Cover Pink and apply that on my nail bed and cure for a minute as well. I'm going to repeat this process 2 more times for a total of 3 coats on each nail. To set the gel nail polish, I'm going to take the top coat nail polish and top it off and cure that for 60 seconds too. Once that's cured, I'm going to go in with a lint-free paper towel and dip it in alcohol to give our nails a finishing touch. Then to enhance our gel manicure, we're going to add cuticle oil along our cuticles and finish off with the lotion of your choice. I like to use this one from Trader Joe's as it's very moisturizing and has a really wonderful scent as well. Using the same paper towel we had before with the alcohol, we're going to go in one last final time and remove any lotion from our nails. You should then end up with this final look, perfect for any occasion or outfit. I really hope you enjoyed this video and like this tutorial. If you recreate this look, please let me know in the comments below, as well as any other ideas you have for future videos I should make. Thank you as always for your support, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!